Okay, so we're going to see if we can bust this and actually videotape it. Never used this feature on my camera before, so let's see what happens. First up is Heroes Archives. Hopefully this is also loud enough. Alright, we got 6 autos and 1 relics, total 7 hits per box. This is box number 1196 of 4500, if that means anything to anybody. Personally, I don't think it really matters. Alright. So from the left side. Oh, auto off the. Oh! This already made the break. Kristen Bell. Auto. Hell yeah. Oh, I'm happy. We can quit now. Maybe I'll get a hating. Who knows? Damn, that's nice. Alright, nada. By the way, these were bought from Big T Sports Cards. So, and they came in like 2 days. So, that's just regular ground shipping. So that was pretty damn good. That beats Blowout and DA easily. Okay, base. Oh, another auto. Rick Worthy as Mike. So I'm not sure if you can see that. Hopefully you can, because otherwise this video is going to suck. Alright. That's 2 hits so far. Got a nice insert. It's like the family insert. Kristen Bell though, so fits with our box so far. Nothing. Nothing. Got about what? Well, heck, that pack's thicker than all the rest. That's probably got the piecework. Got about 15 packs left. I like to count them. Oh, another auto. Akihiro Kitamura as Tadashi. Never actually heard of him. And I watched every episode of Heroes, so I don't know, maybe he was in like just 1 episode. Base. Base. And more base. Alright, now to the other side. Oh, another auto. And this is Lisa Lackey as Janice Parkman. It'd be Matt Parkman's wife. Okay, I hit the Bell. I highly doubt I'll hit the Hayden because I think well, you're lucky if you hit one of the top ones anyways, but 2 in 1 box, yeah. But I'd like to get the Haitian, that'd be pretty cool. It's one of the few I don't have that I want. But I got 2 more autos, since I should have 2 more autos and another piecework. I really hope that's been watching me break the whole thing. Otherwise, you guys have just been staring at my leg. Okay, another auto. Danielle Savary as Jackie Wilcox. I think she's one of the other cheerleaders. So, nice. I mean, these are nice full on-card autos. I like that. Base. Nice little insert. I'm getting the good inserts though. I mean, you know, first you got Kristen Bell and now you get Hayden Panettiere. More base. Well, 5 packs left, and I should have 2 hits left, so. Let's see. Oh, last auto. Cool, another card that I've been wanting. Richard Roundtree as Charles Devereaux. That's pretty nice. You can see that. I'm still really hoping that you can. No, I haven't hit any Missy Peregrine base. She needed an auto in this, but I'll take all the base I can. Alright, 2 more packs. Let's have a costume in one. Oh, this looks like it. Oh, nice. So, we'll just crack open this last pack real quick. Just, you never know. Nothing. And then the costume card was Claire Bennett. So, Hayden Panettiere costume. Nice little swatch there. And that's it. So, we got Richard Roundtree. See, actually, I'll pan the camera to check them all out. So you got Lisa Lackey, Danielle Savary, Richard Roundtree, Akihiro Kitamura, Rick Worthy, and then the Hayden piecework, and then the best hit, Kristen Bell. Nice. So thanks for watching, and I've got these next. Hopefully this video is nice so I can actually post it. Otherwise I may have to do a little recap. All right, bye.